And now I quite bad, but I'm 3.5. Yenishia, you never say free, you Yenishia, you did ship. Yeah, that's one here, the Empabwash. And the entire and number 5 about the day you never.
Welcome you back to our channel Ghanacelebrity Hour, where we discuss everything trending on social media. This show is proudly sponsored by FK Farms. They are a group of people that educate individuals on what kind of land to choose for their farm production, and also they rent lands for people who want to go into farming. So worry no more when you want to go into farming and you don't have a farmland. I tell you, these people are here to help you. Just pick the numbers on your screen and then call them. Of course they will attend to you. That's what they do, what they've been doing that since, and of course I recommend them to you. Moving on to our first story. Oh, last time we were discussing about the fire outbreak at Kumasi Edum. Yes, and this time around people went there to sympathize with them, and of course they rejected every gift they sent there. The rice, the oil, like water. No, they said they don't want that. Of course they rejected it. The interior minister went to visit them, and then they bounced every single donation. The donation include rice, oil, water, drinks, and then they bounced everything back. They said no, yempe cement, iron rods, blocks. We want to reconstruct everything. Let's look at this video. Sorry for yourself, but the question now is, were they supposed to behave the way they did? Where are they sending the rice to? If you reject it, come on. I don't want to be judgmental when it comes to things like this, but I want to see your comments at the comment sections. Like, were they supposed to behave this way? Let's just leave it here. Moving to our second story. There's a school in the eastern region, in the Ashanti region. Yes, there's this old student who just barged into the dormitory of the students and started bullying them. Like, you need me be free. Started hitting them, slapping them. Hey, let's look at this video.
Now what do you want to know them? What kind of them want to come? Hey! Hey!
Who are you calling?
Who are you calling?
Your phone.
Hey!
Who are you calling?
Hey, please! Hey! Muyanta, hey, come! Hey! Roland! Roland! Hey! Now what do you want to know them? What kind of them want to come? Hey! Hey!
Who are you calling?
Who are you calling?
Your phone.
Hey!
Who are you calling? Give me your phone. Who are you calling?
Hey, please! Hey! Muyanta, man! Hey, come! Hey! Roland! Roland!
You I think you just can't come from anywhere and then come and do what you did. Like, you know, this page, we don't support violence. Yes, we don't. Like, yeah, yes sir. We just don't do that. You know, if you just join us, this is still Hamburg Celebrity, where we discuss everything trending on social media. This show is brought to you by FK Farms. Yes, they educate people on the kind of lands to get for their farm productions. Like, they rent lands too. So when you want to, start your farm production, start farming, start something small, and then you don't have a land. Oh, this one is not an issue. Like, you shouldn't even give an excuse. Just pick the number and then call them. They will attend to you. That's what they've been doing. Of course, the testimonies from people, it's mind-blowing. So moving on to our last story, you know, there's this lady who went to a hotel to lodge, I think just for the night, and then she paid 350 Ghana cedis. Now it was too expensive for her. She bore. So when she went into the room, the fridge was empty. There wasn't water, like, and she was like, in 350 cedis na metu and in so cray in the fridge name. Just a bottle of water crap. This particular hotel, I don't want to mention the name of the hotel, but come on, there are more expensive hotels in Ghana. Yes, even in Accra, there are more expensive ones. But she felt cheated. She said, "Oh no, at least in Sio we should put inside the fridge." So she packed her in Pobwa, she packed her in Tadia, she packed her into my things, and then filled the fridge.
Hotel Baba. And now I quite bad, but I must say 3.5. Yenishia, you do a separate news. Yenishia, you do ship. Yeah, that's one year the Empabwa. And the entire day. And now I quite bad, but then you never 3.5. Massa, Fridge and a yasso. Entire. And now I put 3.5. Because I said, Saturday, and you share him.
A lady, goodness and mercy, like, you know, as I was saying earlier, there are more expensive ones than that. And sometimes we pay expensive and then we don't even get anything, and we just for a night. If you know a night is not after 24 hours, but how if we do, you just have to lodge because you are stranded. Okay, so that was it. Thank you so much for being a part of the show. This is where time will permit us to end our show. Thank you so much. As I always say, I will recommend FK Farms to you. They are the best in the market now. I don't want you to give any excuse that you want to go into farming but you don't have a land. Just call them. They will attend to you. Have a blessed day.
I'm Frimpong Frederick, the head of FK Frimpong Farms. FK Frimpong Farms is a company on its own, a registered company under the Registrar General. So we help people to work on their farms, have a whole team that manages a farm from scratch, or from weeding to wherever you want us to stop under contracting. That is what we do. But we do other things like animal farming, and we do online markets and a whole lot of stuff.
Hello, my name is Dorothy. I'm the personal assistant for FK Frimpong Farms. We have lands for farmers who also want to farm or want to work on other crops. We give land for rent.
We have a total of not less than 15-20 acres, but it's scattered.
We have about 35 workers, and yes, we need workers as well to join us in our farm. And we are going to pay you whether you like it on monthly salary or wages, daily. The
Agric Extension officers nominated me as one of the nominees for the awards, and God being so good, I was awarded the Municipal Best Crop Farmer. So FK Frimpong is located at Chinchin Doma, Chinchin last stop.